you don't make any mistake with your YouTube channel thumbnail. My YouTube channel used to get a lots of viewers, but now I doesn't get as many viewers as before. Stick around the end because I have a bonus tip that can change everything for you. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more video. Hello everyone. I am Shami from DigiGrap. I am here to help you for thumbnail design according to your niche. What did I used to design? Number 1. Busy. Number 2. Money and white line. Number 3. Busy color. Number 4. Big text. Number 5. Hero image and white glow. Number 6. Glow effect. Number 7. Text and stroke. Number 8. Black outline. Number 9. Eye effect. Number 10. Lighting effect. Number 11. Camera raw filter. This thumbnail. If you want a full video for this thumbnail design, let me know in the comment section. Tip. Increase CTR. That's mean click through rate. YouTube ranks video pretty based on CTR. If more people click on your video, YouTube is more likely promote it to others. Thank you for watching the video.